What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shavon, and as y'all can see by the title of this video, Javon is not here with me today, guys, because I'm going to be pulling a song lyric prank on him. Now, I was gonna do a Christmas song lyric prank on him, like a breakup prank on him, but the song that I found, it was kind of weird to me. I don't know. I guess it wasn't my type of song or whatever. But the song that I have, I'm going to be doing the song Falling by Alicia Keys. So I'm pretty sure y'all know the lyrics of that song and everything. So I have the lyrics pulled up right here on my phone. Yeah, it's too bright, but I have the lyrics pulled up here on my phone. Javon is currently at work right now, so I know what time he goes on lunch, you know, or I know the time, like around the time he goes on lunch. So I'm going to be doing it in a couple of minutes, so like maybe like 5 or 10 minutes I'm gonna start the prank. So guys, this is Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8. I'm ready to do this prank on him. It's gonna be so funny because he's gonna be like, you know, he's gonna be on his lunch. It's gonna take up his whole lunch. He's gonna be lunch like, what are you talking about? He might end up calling me too, y'all. I don't know. He might end up calling me, but I doubt it because he's at work or whatever, so he's not gonna want to like make a big scene at work or whatever. But yeah, guys, I hope this prank goes really good. I hope I get a really good reaction out of him. I will have the messages that we send or whatever, like that I sent to him, right here on the screen right here, so y'all be able to see what he says and what I say as well. So yeah, guys, go ahead and like this video, comment in the comment section below. Also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, y'all, because it's only gonna get better from here on out. It's gonna get better. 2019 Vlogmas 2019. Yeah, guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay, y'all, Javon is now on lunch. Yeah, Javon is now on lunch, so I'm about to start this prank. So let me go ahead and open his messages. Shoot, I need the lyrics. I should have put the lyrics. Hold on. I just said, hey, we need to talk. Okay, look, I know you're on lunch. Hurry up. Shoot. Guys, I've never done this before. Hello. Y'all, he's not texting me back. He's on lunch. I know he's on lunch. I know for a fact he's on lunch. This time he takes his lunch. Okay, finally. Jesus. Dang, he taking forever. Okay, he texts me, y'all. He always call me sexy, but it's so cute, right? Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm scared. Okay, he's still texting something. Come on now, this song is like, okay, he said, what's happened? Okay, so I'm just go ahead with the lyrics. The first line says, I keep on falling. I keep on falling. In and out of love. Okay, I did the first two lines. I keep on falling in and out of love. Come on, Bennett. He said what? With you, sometimes I love ya. What are you talking about? Okay. Okay, stop. Shoot. Where? Sometimes you make me blue. Okay, sometimes I love you, sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good. I'm gonna do 2 lines at a time. Okay, he sent an emoji. Babe, what are you talking about? Yeah. At times I feel used. Oh, he's texting again. Wait, should I wait? I'm waiting to see he say what he gonna say. No, I'm just put it. At times I feel used. We got pizza at work. Shit good as fuck. Bro, really? Okay, stop. Loving you, darling. At times I feel used. Loving you, darling. Makes me so confused. I don't think he knows this song. Like, with me just putting the words out. Who make you confused? Bro. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the second part. Okay, come on. Okay, babe, you got the right number because I don't know what you're talking about. I keep on falling. No. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. Whoops. The fuck you talking about? What you talking about, son? I never loved someone the way that I love you. Facts. Just facts, big facts. Question mark. Woo. I know you love me, so what the hell you talking about? Aww. Long as you know. And what you want to talk to me about? Okay. Oh, I never felt this way. How do you give me so much pleasure? And cause me so much pain? I'm trying to get like a bigger reaction out of him, like a maybe at the end, like when I get ready to end it, I'm gonna just be like, I'm done. I can't go on anymore. So I'll do that after this next part coming up. Pain, who calls you pain? You're making no sense right now. When I ever called you pain? Just when I think I'm taking more than would a fool, I start falling back in love with you. Okay, I'm not gonna go on with the chorus part. Whenever he texts back, I'm just gonna be like, I'm done. I can't take it anymore. I'm leaving you. Period, poo. Period, poo. Okay, he's texting. Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, I guess this one is done. Y'all, he texts back. He said, I don't know what you're talking about, but anyways, you eat anything for breakfast. Bruh, really? I'm trying to break up with your ass and you talking about if I eat anything for breakfast? No. Okay, you know, I'm gonna put like, you know what? You know what? I'm done. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. Don't ever talk to me again. Let's see what he say to that. I'm done. I'm done with you. I'm done putting up with your mess. I'm done. I'm done. This is why I can't break up with him. This voice, I don't know what you're talking about. But anyways, you eat anything for breakfast? Really, son? What? Hurry up. Oh. Dang, y'all said we're gonna message. How you gonna text me saying you wanna talk to me? You still ain't tell me what you wanna talk about, and you saying you don't wanna talk to me. What? You serious right now? I told you what I wanted to talk about. I'm leaving you. I can't take it anymore. I can't sit here and act like I love you anymore. Put bye. Ha! Bye forever. I cut off last night like really late. Like 12 o'clock late. Midnight late. Next day late. He's texting back now. What, babe? You making no sense right now. I'm gonna put the peace sign. Peace. I don't get it. I'm done with you, fool. I don't want nothing else to do with you. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Period. That's a little too much. Yeah. Alright, guys. Y'all think I should end it right here? Should I end it here? What did I do for you to get up on a happy Sunday and texting me this girl? Y'all, he's calling me. He's calling me. Should I pick up? Nope. Psych. Psych, fool. I'm not picking up your call. No. Hello? Hello?
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what I mean? I'm talking about the message you just sent.
Because I'm done.
What do you mean done? Done for what?
I'm done because I'm just done. I can't sit here and pretend like I still love you, because I don't.
Then what did I do for you to come for this? What did I do for you to come for this?
I just don't love you anymore. I just don't want to be. I just don't want to be with anybody. I just want to be by myself and just grow by myself.
What?
I don't want to be with you anymore.
I'm confused, bro. I'm confused.
What are you confused about?
So where are you right now? At the house?
I'm leaving.
Who gonna pick you up?
Granny, she's coming.
So you don't want to talk about anything else? This don't make no sense, bro. Like, I don't know what to say. What?
Why it don't make sense?
Out of the blue, and I have suddenly you gonna text me saying you don't wanna be with me anymore, whatever.
Because I just woke up and just realized that I want to be by myself. I don't want to be with anybody. I just want to live free. I just want to.
So why you feel like that?
Because
what did I do?
I'm just not in love with you anymore. I fell out of love.
I'm asking you, what did I do for you to think that?
I just fell out of love.
You didn't answer my question. What?
I fell out of love. I'm not in love with you anymore. Love.
What do you mean out of luck? Luck with what?
Love.
Oh, love?
Love. I'm not in love.
Love? What? You say I don't love you as much as you think, or what?
No, I just don't love you.
Why?
Because
what? Because I ain't do you shit, bro. So you be saying this dumb shit. I'm not worried. You texting me this shit, bro. This don't make no sense. Like we wish when I get off.
Because I'd rather do it while you're not here, so you won't stop me.
Won't stop you. This don't make no sense, bro.
Let me tell you something.
What?
It's a prank.
Bro,
Hello?
I was sitting on home lunch. You tell me this is a prank. Bro, I was sitting on home lunch, bro. They got pizza. I ain't gonna eat my pizza.
You didn't eat, baby?
I ain't know.
Babe, you didn't. Hello. Y'all, he hung up on me. What y'all think? Y'all think I got him good? Y'all think I got him good? I think I got him good. Okay, guys. That prank was good. It was okay. It was okay. I got a good reaction. I mean, I knew I wasn't gonna get a big reaction out of him because he's at work, but I got a good enough reaction out of him. So y'all, he still texted me. He mad because he didn't get to eat no food. I feel so bad now. He didn't get to eat his food on lunch or whatever, but that's okay. When he get off, he can eat some food. It's okay. He got 1 more hour, so he can eat food when he get off. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and this. He's talking about you play all day. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. So if y'all like this prank I just did on Javon, go ahead and like this video, comment in the comment section below. Also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of the BB gang. Don't you want to be a part of the BB gang? Don't sound like it's an interesting gang to be a part of, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let me stop. That was kind of corny, but anyways, guys, we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.